Coming to the vowel sounds, we have 12 pure vowels as listed out here, and the classification of vowels on the basis of the part of the tongue that is raised and the height to which the tongue can be raised. So, this is the close position of the tongue, and this one the open position, and two other intermediate positions. This is half open and this one is half close position. So, this portion, the front part of the tongue that is to be raised, this the central part, and this the back part. And these vowels, okay, first we will try to pronounce these 12 vowels. This is E, this one E, A, this and this O, U, right. E, A, O, O, right. So, these vowels E, A and A are articulated using the front part of the tongue, okay, the front part of the tongue, and these three vowels are and are articulated with the central part of the tongue, and these five vowels are O, U and U are articulated with the back part of the tongue. And coming to the height to which the tongue is raised, in the case of E, the tongue is assuming a close position, okay, or a position just below the close position. So, the lips are remaining flat. So, we can describe E sound as an unrounded front close vowel, okay, an unrounded front close vowel, and the E sound, again the lips remaining flat, unrounded, between close and half close, okay, between close and half close front vowel. Coming to A sound, A, the lips remaining flat, unrounded, between half open and half close front vowel, unrounded, between half open and half close front vowel. Coming to A sound, so it's A is unrounded as hat and bat, it is an unrounded between open and half open front vowel, okay. So, E, A and A, okay, these four sounds articulated with the front part of the tongue, and the tongue assumes different positions, the close, between half close and close, between half open and half close, and between open and half open. Coming to the central vowels, we have three central vowels, A and okay. So, this A sound, it is articulated with the central part of the tongue, and it assumes a position between open and half open, and the lips are remaining flat. So, it is an unrounded between open and half open central vowel, okay. This one it is between half open and half closed positions, the central part of the tongue that is raised. Can be described as an unrounded between half open and half closed central vowel, and this the same classification, the central part of the tongue that is raised, this unrounded between half open and half close. So, unrounded between half open and half close central vowel, okay. So, three central vowels, A and okay. Then coming to the back vowels, this one okay. So, it is in the open position, the back part of the tongue that is used. So the lips are remaining flat. So it is an unrounded back open vowel. Okay, so unrounded back open vowel. Okay. This one O. Okay. O. The lip, there is lip rounding here. Okay, O. So it is a rounded. It is the back part of the tongue that is used, and it is almost in an open position or just above open position, slightly above open position. We can describe it as a rounded open back vowel. Coming to O, it is between half close and half open, or we can say it is just above the half open position. So O again is a rounded vowel. So rounded just above half open back vowel. Coming to U, U, the position is between close and half close. It is the back part of the tongue that is used, and there is lip rounding. So U can be described as a rounded back between close and half close back vowel. One more sound left. U, again there is lip rounding. U can be described as a rounded between close and half close back vowel. Okay, so these are the 12 pure vowels. The E sound as it, inside, sit, village, coffee, city, knit, rich, dip, will, bit, wick, lip, tin, remember. The long vowel E sound as eat, seat, meat, sweet, belief, beat, wheel, cheat, sheep, please, sleep, cheap, neat, reach, keep. A sound as any, enter, every, men, head, set, pen, send, bend, bed, beg, best, bread, rest, every. The A sound as action, acid, bank, catch, expand, man, hat, fat, sand, band, pack, gas, mango, matter, cattle. A occurs in words even, onion, love, fun, must, supper, rubber, couple, blood, bun, trouble, bus. A sound occurs in words again, ago, arise, arrest, annoy, butter, beggar, actor, figure, about, ribbon, doctor. A sound as early, girl, pearl, bird, fur, burn, shirt, curd, learn, turn, word, perfect. R sound as ask, aunt, arm, card, chance, marble, march, master, dark, bark, heart, far, hark, harm, balm. The O sound as office, odd, box, want, bottom, bottle, college, shout, shop, lock, lost, not, top, model, dock. O sound as old, out, short, foe, daughter, door, wall, pole, cord, coal, stove, boat, law, walk, talk. U sound occurs in words book, push, sugar, foot, butcher, look, pull, hook, shoot, wood, put, bullet, crooked, cook, wood. Oo occurs in words like oomph, ooze, soup, truth, move, prove, soup, hoop, blue, kangaroo, loom, rule, fume, movement, bloom,